Good afternoon, students. Today we will study Unit 4, Lecture 2, Drugs. So, anesthesia. What is anesthesia? It is a temporary state that causes unconsciousness, loss of memory, lack of pain, and muscle relaxation. So, anesthesia is a will cause unconsciousness, loss of memory, lack of pain, and muscle relaxation. Anesthesia is the reversible loss of response to noxious stimuli. So, two types of anesthesia: general anesthesia, local anesthesia. In general anesthesia, when anesthesia is associated with loss of consciousness, it is general anesthesia. When consciousness is maintained during anesthesia, then it is local anesthesia. General anesthesia involves the patient being put into a medication-induced state in which the patient will not respond to pain and includes changes in breathing and circulation. Under certain anesthesia, a patient is in a state of carefully controlled unconsciousness. Examples of general anesthesia are halothane and nitrous oxide plus oxygen. Local anesthesia involves the injection of local anesthetic into the tissue near the surgical site. It is usually used for minor surgery such as toe-nail repair, skin lesion, or a cut to remove something. Biopsy. Examples of local anesthesia: lidocaine and lignocaine. Antihistamines. Antihistamines are medications that help with allergies and also with stomach problems, cold, anxiety, and more. Antihistamines are a class of drugs commonly used to treat symptoms of allergies. These drugs help treat conditions caused by too much histamine, a chemical created by your body's immune system. Common types such as diphenylhydramine, for example, Benadryl, chlorpheniramine, for example, clotrimazole, and loratadine, for example, Claritin, are used to treat allergy symptoms and itching. Narcotics. Definition: narcotics are highly addictive drugs that reduce pain, alters mood and behavior, and usually induces sleep or stupor. Natural and synthetic narcotics are used in medicine to control pain. Examples of narcotic: opium, morphine, codeine, heroin, Vicodin, oxycodone. These are examples of narcotics. Non-narcotic analgesics. Non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs or agents, NSAID. Non-opioid analgesics also it is called. Pain medications, also known as analgesics, are a type of drugs used to relieve pain with no loss of consciousness to achieve their pain-killing effect. Non-narcotic analgesics are milder form of painkillers that include examples are acetaminophen, aspirin, ketorolac, phenylpyrrole. Hormones. Definition: chemical substances produced in minute quantities by an endocrine gland that is transported in bloodstream to target organs where it exerts its effect is known as hormones. It assists in nervous system in coordination, have powerful effects on the body. Functions are exercise, control over other glands and muscles, control or coordinate body activities. Hormones control or coordinate body activities. So these are the different types of uh, endocrine glands: pineal, hypothalamus, pituitary gland, thyroid, parathyroid, thymus, pancreas, adrenal gland, testis is male and ovary in female. These are all endocrine glands. Then vitamin. A vitamin is an organic molecule that is an essential micronutrient which an organism needs in small quantities for the proper functioning of the metabolism. Vitamins are substances that your body needs to grow and develop normally. There are 13 vitamins your body needs. They are vitamin A, B, thiamine, riboflavin, niacin, pantothenic acid, biotin, vitamin B6, vitamin B12, and folate. These are the examples of some vitamins. So, top anti-inflammatory vitamins: A, B, C, D, E, and K.